Alright, so got my new Shark Apex Zero-M vacuum in. I'm just going to say Zero-M, not with Zero-M technology, because I just hate when people say technology. Just a catchphrase, marketing term that they use. But anyways, here it is. Not a very fancy box, but I ordered it online, so it could be why. Oh, and actually, I see. It is a box within a box. So let's get that out. There it is. Shark Apex with Duo Clean Zero-M, yada yada, all that noise. So let's get it open. See what we got. First thing, manual and well, that's cool stuff. And this looks like the floor nozzle. So I'm going to shift the camera over this way a little bit. Open this up. Nice, very nice. This is nice and soft. Squeegee. Ooh, I cannot wait to use this. Top of it. Brush roll access. Very nice looking machine. And this looks like the wand the entire unit sits in. Handle and hose assembly right here. Here is the actual unit itself. This thing is a lot smaller than I thought it would be, but that's completely fine. This means it won't be as heavy. This looks like the accessory box. So the website I brought it from said it would have a power nozzle attachment, but I was also reading that Shark doesn't include those anymore, they just have the turbo brush. So let's see what we got. Yep, we got the turbo brush. So you might see about purchasing the motorized tool. It's alright, I suppose. Not the end of the world. Very soft bristles and some little pickers. Cut hair. Little upholstery tool. And a crevice tool. So I don't know, maybe I'll complain on the website and say, hey, it didn't come with the motorized tool like you guys said. But I guess Shark changed that and they probably weren't aware of that. So, see how that goes. Now let's see about putting it together. I imagine it's just as simple as clicking things together. So let's take a look and see. Put that down. This looks like it goes this way. Clicks right in. Put it back. Oh, this is all very push button remove, click to install. Hey, alright. Record the video. And that is it. Let's plug it in and give it a go. Very nice. Quiet too, quieter than any of my other machines. Alright, try to get a demonstration in here and show you all how it works. And of course, subscribe, like my video, leave a comment below, and next up we'll have a little quick demonstration of this thing. Thank you. Alright, so here goes. I think it's really strong. Pulls along as it goes forward. Maybe because of the duo thing, but grooves the carpet very nicely. Very quiet too, like I was saying. The router machine was quiet before. And let's see what we get out of here. Decent amount in there. Can't really see it because of the reflection, but let's go ahead and open it up. You know what? That's not how you do it. There we go. Alright, so keep in mind I just vacuumed yesterday with the Dyson. All the pets and everything get this place dirty pretty quickly, so I'd say that's pretty good, and the Cyclone is reasonably clean. So, look forward to seeing more videos with this. And again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Helps out a lot. Thank you.